There's a place that you already know. Close your eyes and you're ready to go right now. Over the clouds. Zoom it in, get into the flow. Every day it's a magical show with Professor Busta, Lynn, and Leolino. Here we come now, waking up your life. Such a lift, the glow that you feel. Like a dream, but the magic is real. What you know, it's all gonna change tonight. Tonight. Come with us, cause we're taking a ride. Watch us fly, cause we're rocking the sky. Way up high, and you know we're not coming down. Not coming down. Into fairy town.
High above the clouds, here close to the stars, you'll find the home of the Tooth Fairies. At some point in time, the Tooth Fairies will come to visit you.
I'm curious to learn about these people of the Amazon.
Yes, and we should blend in well with our new safari outfits.
Oh! Lynn! Now you look right. A flower of the jungle. Beauty of the Amazon.
Well, my friends, I hope you're ready for a very special trip.
And I hope McCavity doesn't find out where we're going.
But where exactly are we going, Professor? You've not told us.
We're going to a village in the tropical rainforest in Brazil, to a place that no one really knows exists.
Today comes the night of the full moon, when those who have lost their last baby tooth will finally become adults.
Will we then get our new names?
Yes, you will get new names and new tasks. One of them starts right now. It is to pass on your knowledge to those who have lost their first baby teeth. They are not children anymore. They may now take on their first tasks in our community.
It is time for the first lesson. You must always remember that the plants of the jungle are our friends. We must thank them for the food they give us every day.
And we should never take more than we need. Then all of us can live in peace and harmony.
Please forgive me, but I need to take 2 of your beautiful leaves.
Look, we gather the bananas like this, and then we put them in this bowl made of leaves. Now it is time, everybody. The eagle chicks will hatch very soon.
How do you know? He understands the language of the animals.
So, these jungle people really do exist, and I thought it was just a fairy tale.
Well, that's where they said that they were going, so...
Well then, so are we.
Oh, it's such a long way down. Oh!
What's this? Dee Kay, what's this?
Well, I heard the Tooth Fairies say that they were coming here. They were excited that the jungle people are something special or something. I don't know.
It must be something to do with their teeth. If the people here live among these giant trees, they must have giant teeth. Shh. I think we better join in. She seems to think we are her chicks.
Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. When they fall out, we take them away.
So this is the tropical rainforest of the Amazon, where the giant trees are as tall as city skyscrapers.
Come with me. Now we need some twigs. Excuse me, Bush, but we need some of your twigs.
Is this enough? Why don't we take more?
No, it's important to never take more than you need. That way the bush can recover. We might need his help another day. Thanks very much for your help, Bush. And sorry, we have to go now.
Feeling great.